Welcome to today's video, where we take a closer look at a humble yet historically rich coin, the 2 pence 1990 coin, presented here in its circulated condition with its natural, aged color and charming wear patterns. This is a coin many people have handled, but few have truly examined. Welcome as we explore every detail of its design, texture, background, and journey. Even an everyday coin like this one carries stories worth telling, and by the end of this video, you'll see it in a whole new light. Welcome to a deep dive into its artwork, its metal tones, its history, and the way time has shaped its appearance. Circulated coins have unique personalities, and this 1990 piece is no exception. The obverse of the coin features the familiar portrait of Queen Elizabeth II, designed with dignity and elegance. In circulated condition, the portrait has softened edges, giving it a smooth, vintage look. The Queen's facial features, while worn, remain recognizable. Lines around the cheek and hair have mellowed, creating a soft, rounded texture. The inscription Elizabeth II sits around the edge of the obverse, though some letters may appear slightly faded or rubbed by years of handling. Beside her name, the inscription DG Reg. FD 1990 reflects her full title and the year of minting. Even in circulated color, these inscriptions retain clarity. The circulated appearance of the coin shows a blend of brown, reddish, and darkened tones, natural oxidation, and years of touch creating a warm patina. On the reverse, the iconic badge of the Prince of Wales takes center stage. A plume of 3 ostrich feathers within a coronet. This symbol has been used for centuries. The feathers remain visible, though the finest creases and textures have been worn smooth, giving the reverse a classic aged charm. Below the feathers lies the ribbon bearing the German motto, Ich diene, meaning I serve. It may show signs of fading, but it remains an important detail of the design. The denomination 2 pence curves beautifully around the top of the reverse. The letters may have softened, but still frame the central emblem strongly. At the bottom of the coin, the number 2 is bold and easily recognizable, even if its edges have rounded over time from circulation. The surface of the coin tells the story of decades of movement from pockets to purses, from cash registers to coin jars, each scratch marking a moment in its life. The rim of the coin may show small dents or flattened areas, the result of repeated contact with other coins over many years. Tilting the coin under light reveals a mixture of darker shadows in recessed areas and lighter highlights on the high points, a signature of well-circulated copper-plated steel. The feather details, though worn, still form a distinct silhouette that anchors the reverse design with strength and simplicity. This 1990 issue belongs to the later copper-plated steel era of the 2 pence coin, giving it a slightly magnetic property and a deeper tone compared to earlier bronze issues. Circulated color often brings out deeper browns and subtle hints of red, creating an earthy aesthetic that collectors of circulated coins appreciate. Every scratch, rub, and polished patch adds to the authenticity of the coin, making no 2 circulated pieces exactly alike. This coin reflects a period in British coinage where durability and practicality guided design choices, leading to the tough steel core that has lasted through decades. The portrait of Queen Elizabeth II on this year's coin is part of the 3rd definitive series, a design that millions recognize even today. Despite circulation wear, the crown and neckline details remain noticeable, preserving the coin's royal character. The obverse fields, the flat areas around the portrait often show the most scratches, and this piece is no exception, displaying the busy life it has lived. On the reverse, the coronet surrounding the Prince of Wales feathers retains its beautiful arch shape, though the tiny jewels and decorative lines may be softened. Looking closely, you might find small, dark patches where oxidation has settled deeper into the metal, giving the coin a naturally aged appearance. Handling the coin gives a sense of history, This is an ordinary object, yet it represents an entire monetary system, an era, and a nation. The uniform circular shape, though slightly worn on the edges, remains sturdy and strong, showing the coin's durability over the decades. The motto Ich Dien symbolizes service and tradition, and even in worn condition, it adds meaning and identity to the coin. The number 2 remains the most prominent feature on the reverse, instantly telling its denomination even at a quick glance. This coin's circulated state gives it character, charm, and a sense of authenticity that mint state pieces can never truly match. The patina that develops over years adds depth and personality, making it visually interesting and historically meaningful. Collectors who appreciate circulated coins value pieces like this for their real-world journey, their natural colors, and their lived-in feel. The 1992 pence coin may seem simple, but it tells a multi-layered story: royalty, symbolism, daily commerce, metalwork, and time all wrapped into one. As we wrap up this exploration, this coin stands as a reminder that even the most common items in our pockets have hidden histories worth discovering. The coin's aged coloring highlights the contrast between raised and recessed areas, with darker tones collecting within the deeper grooves, creating a natural shadow effect that enhances its vintage appearance. This coloring forms a unique fingerprint of time that no two circulated coins share. Holding the coin, you can feel the smoothness that only decades of circulation can create. The high points of the design, once sharp and crisp, now glide under your finger with a polished softness that speaks to thousands of daily transactions.